My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 BMW M340i. This vehicle has done just under 34,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, communications, map and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side. Next up we have our driving modes, starting with Sport Plus, Sports Individual, Comfort, Eco Pro, Adaptive and Auto. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.